solve 2x plus 1 whole square into y whole square into y double dash minus 6 into 2x plus 1 into y dash plus 16y is equal to 8 into 2x plus 1 whole square.
Done, ma'am. This was also homework.
So assignment problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will solve this one here because some of them are not completed, I think. Anyhow, only 1 minute. Anyhow, only one problem we completed, no? So this one also we can solve. Okay. Right. Solution. So now it is of the form. Which form it is?
Ax plus b.
Legendary differential equation. Legendary, right? Legendary differential equation. What we have to take the substitution for 2x plus 1? So 2x plus 1 is equal to
x, ma'am. E to the power t.
e power t. Okay. It is of the form ax plus b. Put 2x plus 1 is equal to e power t. This implies what is t?
Log 2x
Log of 2x plus 1.
Yes, log of 2x plus 1. Next. So after this, we have to find out the value of 2x plus 1 into y dash, 2x plus 1 whole square into y double dash. That we have to find out. So we know that 2x plus 1 into y dash is equal to what? A into dy. Correct? What is a? Coefficient of x is a. What is a?
2.
2 dy. 2 dy. Next. So 2x plus 1 whole square into y double dash is equal to a square into d minus 1 into y. Since a is 2, here ax plus b form. A is 2, 2 square is 4 into d into what? D minus 1 into
D minus
y.
1.
You call this as equation 1. Okay. Substitute all these values in the equation 1. So we obtain, we have the value for 2x plus 1 whole square into y double dash as 4. Equation 1 becomes, substitute above values in equation 1. So equation 1 become, so substitute 2x plus 1 whole square into y double dash as 4d into d minus 1 into y. So equation 1 become 4d into d minus 1 into y minus 6 into, substitute for this value. This is nothing but 2 dy. So into 2 dy plus 16y as it is equal to 8 into, what is capital D now? Capital D is d by dt. Okay, we are converting completely x in terms of t. So in RHS also x should not be there. So we have to substitute for 2x plus 1. What is 2x plus 1?
Log
E power
e to the power t.
E power
the
t.
power t.
E power t. 2x plus 1 is e power t whole square. So because we have here square, whole square. So next, here you take y common in the LHS. Y common in the LHS. Now multiply. 4d into d is 4d square. Minus 4d into 1 is minus 4d. I took y common. Next multiply. 6 2s are 12 minus 12d. I took y common. Plus 16. Plus 16. I took y common. Is equal to 8 into e power 2t. E power t whole square is e power 2t. Don't write e power t square. E power 2t. So now simplify this. 4d square minus 16d plus 16 into y is equal to 8 e power 2t. It is a, now we got the coefficients of the derivative is constant or variable now. Coefficients of the derivative we got it as
Constants.
constants. We converted variable coefficients to the constant coefficients by taking some suitable substitution. So now it is a non-homogeneous differential equation. Hence, general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Call it as equation number 2. Next, so find out yc. How to find yc? To find yc, what we should consider?
Auxiliary
Auxiliary
equation.
Ma'am, that
Huh?
is plus 16. You wrote plus
Ma'am,
6.
plus 16.
So now, to find yc, consider auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation? F of m is
F
equal
of m is equal
to
to
0. So this is our f of d. This is our f of d. Put d equal to m, you will get f of m. That is 4m square minus 16m plus 16 is equal to 0. Correct? Huh? So is it possible to factorize?
Yes, ma'am. 8,
Okay,
8, ma'am.
shall I take 4 common? It become easy.
Yes, ma'am.
4m plus 4 is equal to 0. So 4 cannot be 0. Okay, 4 cannot be 0. Therefore, m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. It is looks like m minus 2 whole square.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is m minus 2 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. So then m minus 2 equal to 0 or m minus 2 is equal to 0. What is m?
2.
2, ma'am.
Minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. M is equal to 2 and here also m is equal to 2. So how many roots we got?
2 roots.
2.
What is the order of the differential equation?
2.
So if it is a second order, we should get 2 roots. So what are the roots? 2 and 2.
2.
Okay. What is the nature of the roots?
Real and equal.
Real and
Real
equal.
and equal. So how to write YC?
C1 plus
C1 plus C2
C2 into e to the power 2t.
into e power 2t. 2t.
Okay, this is our YC. Is there any doubt in finding YC?
No, ma'am.
So shall I move, go to the next page to find YP?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, to find YP, what we should consider?
Phi of t
Phi of
t
by
f of
Phi of t by f of d. What is phi of t?
8 e to the power
8 e to the power 2t.
8 e power 2t. What is f of d?
4t square minus 60 plus 16.
16 plus 16.
Correct. Numerator is which type?
Right? It is type 1.
Type 1. In type 1, what we should do?
Put t equal to a is equal to 2.
2. Put d equal to a equal to 2. E power 80 means type 1. Okay, 2. So therefore yp become yp is equal to 8 e power 2t. No change in the numerator. In denominator replace d by 2. 2 square minus 16 into 2 plus 16. So 4 4 is 16. 16 and 16 cancel. So no, 16 to the 32. So 16.
0.
What you got denominator?
0.
0 only. If denominator is 0, what we should consider in the numerator? Multiply numerator
in
by
the
t
dash of
and consider denominator as
f dash of
f
t.
dash of t. Therefore yp is equal to 8t. You should keep it out. E power 2t. So since f of d is, what is f of d? 4d square minus 16d plus 16. So if this is our f of d, what is our f dash of d? 8.
80 minus 16.
18 minus 6. 8d minus 16. So since which type the numerator is?
It type 1.
Type 1 only. So put d equal to what?
Equal to 2.
So it will not change throughout the problem. Okay, same step we have to repeat. So yp is equal to 8t into e power 2t by 8 into 2 minus 16. What you will get the denominator as?
0.
0. If the denominator is 0 again, multiply numerator with one more t, it become t square. So e power 2t by f double dash of d. Already one time we differentiated, you differentiate this again, okay, in the denominator. So 8t square into e power 2t divide by what? What's the differentiation of 8d?
8.
Differentiation of 8d is 8 alone. Minus 16 is 0. Differentiation of 16 is 0. So 8 and 8 cancel. Therefore, what is our yp? T square e power 2t by.
To the power of 2t.
That's it. All of you are clear in finding yp?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So all of you are cleared. After finding yp, what we should do?
We should substitute in equation 1. Equation
Not
2.
in
ma'am.
equation 1, in equation 2. Next. Substitute above values in equation 2. Substitute above values in equation 2. So equation 2 become y is equal to, yc is what? c1 plus c2t into e power 2t plus, what we got yp?
T square e to the power of 2t.
T square e power 2t. So, but we know that e power 2t, e power 2t. So, but we know that t equal to what?
Log of 2x plus
Log of 2x plus
Log
1.
of 2x plus 1.
2x plus 1. And what is e power t?
2x plus 1.
2x plus 1.
2x plus 1. You substitute all these values in this equation, in the solution. Okay, so we obtain y is equal to c1 plus c2 into t. T is nothing but log of 2x plus 1 into, here we have e power 2t. E power 2t I cannot substitute directly, so e power 2t can be written as e power t whole square. Correct? Huh? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is e power t? What is e power t?
2x plus 1.
2x
2x
plus 1.
plus 1 whole square, which is equal to t square. T square is nothing but log of 2x plus 1. Its whole square, because we have t square. Its whole square into e power 2t means e power t whole square. E power t is 2x plus 1
Okay.
whole square. Is it yp, right? Plus, not equal sign. It is plus, because this is yc plus yp. S. Solve. 3x plus 2 whole square into y double dash plus 3 into 3x plus 2 into y dash minus 36y is equal to 8x square plus 4x plus 1. So you think and start the problem. Okay, we give 2 minutes of time to you to think about it. Completed? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
we are solving.
Yes, ma'am.
You are solving. Okay. 3x plus 2 whole square. So here is I will take it as solution. Okay, I will call this as equation 1. What we have to take the substitution? What?
3x plus 2 is equals
3x
to e to
plus
the
2
power
equals
t,
e power
and d is equals to log of 3x plus 2.
3x plus 2 is equal to e power t. This implies t is equal to what?
Log of 3x plus 2.
Log of 3x
3x
plus
plus
2.
2. Okay, next. Next.
and x equals to e power t minus 2 by 3.
Yes, we will substitute here. To substitute here, we have to find x also. Okay, we will come to that later. So then 3x plus 2 into y dash. What is 3x plus 2 into y dash is equal to?
3 into dy by
3 into dy.
Even
A dy. Correct? What is a? Quotient of x?
3.
3.
3. 3 dy we got. Next. What we have to substitute for 3x plus 2 whole square into y double dash?
A square d into
a
d
square
minus 1
d into d
into y.
minus
Square into d into d
A
minus
square
1
d
y.
into d minus 1 into y. So what is a?
3.
3. P square into d minus 1 into y. Okay. Substitute all these values in equation 1. So equation 1 become, what is 3x plus 2 whole square into y double dash?
9 into d of d
D
minus
into d minus 1.
9 d into d minus 1 into y. 9 into d minus 1 into y plus 3 into, what is 3x plus 2 whole square, sorry, 3x plus 2 into y dash?
3 dy.
3 into dy.
3 dy minus 36y as it is, which is equal to 8 into, what shall I substitute for x? Here we have x should not be
dt
there, as
whole
I
square.
told you that.
E to the
As
power.
no. As I told you that x should not be there after substituting for all the x terms in terms of d terms. Okay. So here we have 3x plus 2 is equal to e power t. From this equation you have to find x, then you have to substitute here, x should not be there. Okay, as we know that 3x plus 2 is equal to e power t. From this you find as 3x is equal to e power t minus 2. So x is equal to e power t minus 2 divided by 3. Is it clear x value?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to substitute that as x. So now in equation 1 you substitute for x as e power t minus 2 by 3 whole square plus 4 into, again we have x is nothing but e power t minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Now we have to simplify both LHS and RHS. So now take common y in the left hand side. So 9d into d is 9d square minus 9d. 90 into 1 is 90 plus 3 3s are 9d. I took y common. 9d. Next minus 36. Is it right? Left hand side?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next come
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
RHS. Come to the RHS. So we have to square for both numerator and denominator because we have whole square. What is 3 square in the denominator?
9.
9.
You keep 8 by 9 outside. Next, it is numerator is a minus b whole square. That is e power t whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2, a is e power t, b is 2. Did you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this clear? Next,
Yes, ma'am.
4 by 3 into e power t minus 2 plus 1. So here in the left hand side, minus 90 plus 90 cancel. So 9d square minus 36 into y is equal to 8 by 9 outside. So e power 2t whole square is nothing but e power 2t plus 4 minus 4 into e power t plus 4 by 3 into what? 4 by 3 into e power t minus 2 plus 1. So next, here we need to simplify still RHS to make RHS easy. How to simplify further the RHS is? How to simplify the RHS to make it very simple? Anybody? Because it is some by saying itself it is looks like some lengthy, so we can make it simple. First you multiply with 8 by 9. Up to here, is there any doubt? Because I am going for the new page. Is there any doubt?
No.
Yes or no? No. Okay. Move to the new page. Please all of you tell this value. Okay. So then I can continue with that. Okay, right. What we have in the RHS? 8 by 9. Right? LHS is what? D square minus 36. Huh? Is it right, LHS?
9d square, ma'am.
9d square minus 36. Correct? Huh? So RHS, you multiply by 8 by 9. 8 by 9 into e to the power of 2t. Next
2t.
one. Next one.
Plus 4. Plus 4.
Plus 4. 8 4s are 32. 32 by 9. Next. Minus 4 again. 32 by 9 into e power t. Is it right? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, multiply with 4 by 3. What we have inside? 4 by 3 into what? 4 by 3 into
With
e
the
power
power of
t
t.
minus 8 by 3. Correct? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
right? Plus what?
1, ma'am.
Minus
Plus
2,
1.
ma'am.
Minus 1 or plus 1?
Minus 2.
Plus 1.
Minus only.
Yes,
Minus
ma'am.
2. 4 to say 8. Minus 8 by 3 I written. Correct? No?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we have only one term of e power 2t, you keep as it is. 8 by 9 e power 2t. So here we have e power t and here we have e power t. You can keep e power plus e power t common. So then we left with 4 by 3 minus 32 by 9. Next, consider the constant term plus 1 plus 32 by 9. Okay, now simplify. So 8 by 9 into e power 2t plus, so e power t into, here take LCM. What is the LCM for 3 and 9? What's the
9.
LCM? 9. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 32. Plus here also you take LCM. For 1 and 9, 9 is LCM. So 9 plus 32. So therefore 8 by 9 e power 2t plus 12 minus 32.
20.
20 na?
Minus 20, ma'am.
Minus
Minus
20,
20,
it
ma'am.
become minus 20 by 9 e power t plus what? 40?
42 by 9.
42 by
41 by 9, ma'am.
41 by 9.
41,
41 by 9.
41 by 9. So now we made this as a simple. So LHS is 9d square minus 36 into d itself, so into y itself. We call this, okay, next. It is of the form f of t into y is equal to phi of t. It is a non-homogeneous differential equation. So then what is general solution? Y is equal to
YC plus YP.
yc plus yp. Okay, you call this as equation number 2. Next, to find yc, what we should consider?
Auxiliary equation
Auxiliary
f of
These
x
are
is
the
equal to
auxiliary
0.
equation to find yc. Okay. So what is the auxiliary equation? F of m is equal to 0.
9m square minus 36 equal to
So
0.
since it is f of d, you replace d by m. That's it. 9m square minus 36 equal to 0. 9m square is equal to 36. M square is equal to 36 by 9. What is 36 by 9?
4.
4. M square is equal to 4. This implies what is M?
Plus or minus 2.
Plus or minus
Plus
2.
or minus root 4, that is 2. Okay. So now how many roots we should get? What is the order of the differential equation?
2.
2 only. Since order of the differential equation is 2, we have to get 2 roots. We got 2 roots as plus 2 and minus 2. What is the nature of the roots?
Real and distinct.
Real and distinct.
Yes, real and distinct. Therefore, how to write yc?
P1 e to the
P1
power
e
of
power
2t
2t
Part
plus
2x
e
plus c.
to e power minus 2t.
Yes, right. So this is our yc important thing. Correct? And did you clear yc?
Yes, ma'am.
Next we have to
Yes.
find out yp. Next we have to find out yp. Is there any doubt in finding yc? You can ask, I will clarify. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
No. Okay, go for yp. What is yp formula?
phi of
Phi of
t
phi
by
of
f of
Phi of t means RHS. What is RHS we have?
8 by 9
Mm.
e to the power of 2t
Mm.
minus 20 by 9
Mm.
e to the power of t plus 41 by 9.
Plus 41 by 9 by f of t. Now we have to split the numerator. Okay. 8 by 9 e power 2t by f of d. This is one term. Minus 20 by 4 e power t by f of d. Plus
Ma'am, 20 by 9, ma'am.
is 20 by 9.
20 by
20 by
9.
9. So here it is 9. 20 by 9 e power t by f of t plus 41 by 9 by f of
e
t.
to the power 0.
We can write, while finding this value, we can write it as A40t. You call this as equation number 3. You take this as P1, this as P2 and this as P3. Consider P1 separately, P2 separately, P3 separately. Find and substitute. So what is P1? Now consider P1. What is P1? 8 by 9, you can keep it out. E power 2t by, what is f of d?
t square plus
90 square minus 36.
90 square
90
minus
square minus 36. So numerator is which type? Shall I keep 9 outside? Shall I keep 9 common in the denominator before going to the step?
Yes, ma'am.
So 8 e power 2t by 9 9s are 81 by d square minus what?
4.
D square minus 4. Okay, now which type it is? Numerator?
Type
type
1.
Type 1. If it is type 1, what we have to put?
D is equals to A is
a
equals
is equal to 2.
2, because here we have e power 80. E power 80 means a is equal to 2. So next simplification, P1 is equal to 8 by 81 into e power 2t divided by d square means 2 square. 2 square minus 4. What is 4 minus 4?
0.
0. Denominator is 0. So multiply numerator with t. You can keep it outside of the calculation part. E power 2t by f dash of d. Correct? Huh? Line outside. So then it is 81 into 2. What is 1 over d stands for?
Integration.
Integration of e power 2t into dt. So 8t, so this is 2 now, 2 4s are 8, cancelled. That is 4t divided by 81 into what is the integration of e power 2t?
E to the power 2t by 2.
Okay, here we have 4. 2 2s are 4 cancelled. That is 2t e power 2t by 81. Is it clear? Is P1 correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Next we go for P2. Next. If you have any doubt, you can ask, I will clarify it. Next we go for P2. Consider P2. What is P2? What is P2?
Minus 20 by 9 into e to the power t.
Minus no need to consider. You can keep minus there only. Later we can substitute. Okay. So P2 is equal to what? Or you can take only 20. Okay, 20 by 9 e power t by f of t. Correct? That minus you can keep there only. We can substitute only this value. That is 20 by 9. We can keep it out. E power t by f of t. F of t is what? 9.
9
D square
e square minus 36.
minus 36. Okay. So next, which is equal to, you can take 9 outside. Sorry, 9 common. 20 by 81 e power t by d square minus 4. Which type it is?
Type 1.
Type 1. It is of type 1. Put d equal to what?
A is equals to 1.
A is
So
equals
it
to 1.
becomes 20 by 81. So e power t divided by 1 square minus 4. So that is 20 e power t by, it is minus 3, right? Minus 3. 3 into 81?
243.
243.
43.
243.
Okay. So this is our P2 value. Next, consider P3. What is P3?
41 by 9 e to the power of 0t by f of t.
41 by 9, correct?
Yeah.
Is it 41 by 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So check it once. Is it 41 by 9 correct only
Yes.
or what?
41 by 9, ma'am.
So one thing, 8 by 9. 8 by 9 into 4 alva. 8 by 9 into 4. Next to minus 8 by 3 plus 1. Is it right? 8 by 9 into 4 plus, sorry, minus 4 to the 8 by 3 plus 1. This is what we have the constant terms in the RHS. Is
32
it
by
right?
9 minus 8 by 3 plus 1 mark.
32 by 9 minus 8 by 3 minus 8 by 3 plus 1. Take LCM as 9. Correct? 32 minus 3 3s are 9. 8 3s are 24 plus 9.
Ma'am, we did not
Huh?
consider minus 8 by 3, ma'am.
Why we didn't consider? We should consider it now.
Yes, ma'am, but we did not consider.
We should consider that also.
We just
No?
took directly 32 by 9 plus 1, ma'am.
No. We should consider 8 by 3 also. No. Right? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am. 17 by 9.
17 by 9. So I will explain it. what we have in the RHS is, please make it correction. We have in the RHS as 8x square plus 4x plus 1. Is it right? RHS part? In the starting I am telling. 8 into what is x? What is x?
T to the power
E
of
power
t minus
E
2
power
by
t
3.
minus 2 by 3. It is whole square plus 4 into e power t minus 2 x value plus 1. So it is 8 by 9. 3 square is 9. So here a minus b whole square, that is e power 2t minus, a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 2s are 4 into e power t. Next, here 4 e power t, 4 by what? 4 by 3, no? It is 4 by 3, right? So here we have e power t minus 2 by 3. Okay. That is 4 by 3 into e power t minus 4 to the 8. 8 by 3 plus 1. Plus 1. So next here multiply 8 by 9 e power 2t plus 8 4s are 32 by 9. Next 8 4s are minus 32 by 9 into e power t plus 4 by 3 e power t minus 8 by 3 plus 1. So here we have only one term with e power 2t. So 8 by 9 e power 2t. So e power t is here. Take plus e power t common. So I will write first positive term 4 by 3 minus 32 by 9. Next we have to consider the constant, all constants. We have 3 constants. That is plus 32 by 9 minus 8 by 3 plus 1. So if you simplify this, what you will get? 17 by
9, ma'am.
17 by 9.
17 by 9. What is 4 by 3 minus 32 by 9? What we did? Minus
20 by 9.
minus 20
Minus
by
20 by
9 e power t plus 17 by 9. Please make a correction. 32 by 9 minus 8 by 3 plus 1 as 17 by 9. Okay, so P1, P2 no change, only there is a change in P3. There is a change in P3. Consider P3 as, in the next step also you change it. Instead of 41 by 9, you change to 17 by 9. So P3 is 17 by 9. 17 by 9. So divide by f of d we have, correct? Divide by f of d. So we can write 17 by 9 as 17 by 9 into e power 0t by 9d square minus 36. So since it is a type 1, it is of type 1, put d equal to what? D equal to a equal to
0.
0.
Equal to a equal
Therefore,
to
we
0.
obtain P3 is equal to 17 by 9. You can keep it out. E power 0t divide by, it is 0 minus 36. So that is minus 17. Here we have minus 17 into e power 0t is 1 by, what is 9 into 36?
324, ma'am.
324.
324.
324 become plus. So if you
Minus
take
17.
81 common in the denominator, you will get 2t e power 2t in the numerator from first term. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, 20 by 3 into e power t. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Minus
ma'am.
17 by 4.
Find is
Minus
17 by 4.
4. This is your yp. Okay. So after finding yp, what we should do?
Equation 2.
We should substitute in equation 2.
Is substitute yc and yp in equation 2. Then you resubstitute the values for t and e power t. What you got the